Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington, D.C., I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1.
Thank you. Our next performance will begin right after this intermission. Please
To look
check the
around,
posted
move your
schedules
phone or
for a
tablet.
list of all
Click and drag
performance
if on a
times.
computer or move your head if
While
using a
waiting
VR
for the next
headset.
show to begin,
Please like and
there's
subscribe.
plenty of fun to be had.
Circus Circus has always been known for its family-focused attractions, and the northern end of the strip has few places with this much variety under one roof. One of the biggest draws is the Adventuredome, the indoor theme park built beneath a massive pink-tinted glass roof. It covers 5 acres and includes roller coasters, arcade games, carnival rides, and themed attractions built across multiple levels. The park opened in the early 1990s and has grown into one of the biggest indoor amusement parks in the United States. The Adventuredome's layout mixes coaster tracks, rock climbing structures, mini golf, motion simulators, and family-friendly rides into a single enclosed space. The signature attractions include a looping roller coaster, a swinging pirate ship ride, and a variety of spinning and drop-style rides designed for different thrill levels. The entire area is structured so guests can explore the park at their own pace, moving from one attraction to the next without leaving the indoor environment. Just outside the theme park area is the Midway, the original heart of Circus Circus. This space includes classic carnival-style games, skill challenges, prize counters, and rows of arcade machines. It reflects the early vision of the resort when it opened in 1968. Las Vegas fun presented in a carnival atmosphere. The layout still follows that concept today, with game booths surrounding elevated performance areas and walkways that overlook the casino floor. One of the most well-known features of Circus Circus is the tradition of free circus acts performed above the Midway. These shows feature acrobats, jugglers, aerial performers, and variety acts that rotate throughout the day. The performances take place on stages suspended above the gaming areas and attractions, turning the overhead space into entertainment. This is one of the longest-running free shows in Las Vegas and remains a defining element of the resort. Families also explore the shopping and food areas located around the Midway and Adventuredome entrances. These include casual dining, snack stands, and themed stores that match the carnival atmosphere. Throughout the resort, bright colors and playful theming remains consistent with the original vision of Circus Circus, a property designed for both adults and children, offering things to do beyond the casino floor. The family side of Circus Circus continues to be a unique part of this strip's history. While many resorts focus on nightlife and luxury, this property maintains its identity as a place where amusement park, attractions, circus shows, and classic carnival games all coexist under one roof.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.